Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can check if somebody has blocked you on TikTok. So I have two accounts that I will be using for this tutorial. I have this second account and another main account so that I can just better show you what it looks like if you get blocked by someone on TikTok. So I'm over to my second account and I'm just going to tap on friends and find the username of my main account so that I can block this account. Confirm. And once that is done, I'm just going to go ahead and switch to my main account to see how that looks like. And once I'm here, for me to know if anybody has blocked me, all I have to do is go to friends. So Gwen TKH Nazar is the full username, and as you can see, if I tap on users here, I would not be able to find the exact username because that account has blocked me. So it would basically be invisible to my main account. And that's what you will see to know if somebody has blocked you on Twitter. You would not be able to see their username when you search them. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.